stolen connection na yun ang sanhi ng fire. Follow up with the fire department. So, ano ang result sa investigation? Kasi talk with the witnesses during the fire broke. It was inside the house. No? So, yung last talk namin sa fire department, they want the witness to issue an affidavit. But if we will find out na doon, then we will siguro we will do the legal process of how we will do that. Yung kanya services, parang na-terminate ko na as upon sa 2026. Nana kami sa stage ng rebuilding, no? We together with the city sa Daewoo, nag-reblocking kami to ensure na we will retrieve the footpaths, the alleys, so just in case na may incident na naman, at least easily ang access sa fire. So casualties tayo, no, and then 0 injuries din, no. Siguro may may minor injuries lang tayo, like may I think mga 2 o 5 tao lang we need tetanus na vaccine kasi na parang naturok sila ng mga fire debris. Senator Idol Rafi, daghan kayong salamat in behalf of Barangay Sambagdos through Kap Ramila Human. Salamat yun kayo kay as of the moment we need really para pag-asa, no? Isa ka sa naghatag ng pag-asa sa Barangay Sambagdos, especially sa Sitio Mansanitas, na victims of fire na namatabangan ni sila, at least with a gesture bago na you are very busy as a senator, but still ng mga staff nakita nyo na ko diri sa Sambagdos na strong yun, Rafi Tulfo in action talaga.